Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have HTML. Now link your style sheet and open the browser inspector so you can iterate quickly. Start by selecting element types, then target class names and ID to scope styles precisely. Write a simple rule for a tag, then a class and an hash ID to see immediate visual changes. Once done, use the editor in DevTools to refine selectors and confirm cascade behavior. This fast feedback shows why each selector matters before you commit changes. You now combine selectors to be more precise. Use descendant and child combinators to narrow scope, then adjacent and sibling combinators for relationships between elements. Chain selectors to increase specificity when needed, but make sure to group reusable rules with commas to avoid repetition. Apply attribute selectors like input type equals text and pseudo-classes such as hover or focus for interactive states. As you refine, check computed styles to understand why a rule wins and adjust selector weight accordingly. Complete the workflow by testing across viewports and browsers and verifying computed styles to catch unexpected overrides. Make sure to simplify selectors where possible and adopt a naming pattern like BEM or utilities to keep rules maintainable. This reduces fragile overrides later. Once stable, run a linter and minifier to remove unused selectors and improve load time. Troubleshooting tip. If styles aren't applying, inspect computed styles to spot specificity or cascade issues, and temporarily add outline or background to visualize targeted elements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.